Do you want to know how you can fix the product not downloading on your Amazon Prime? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One to Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix the product or video not downloading on your Amazon Prime Video. So first of all, let's go ahead and try to play a video. And you can see that there's download option. So there are problems. When you click download, it will tell you that you need to fix it because you cannot download the product. So what you can do is go ahead and log out of your account once and try that. If that doesn't work, you can go to the customer service of Prime Video. So go ahead and go to the Amazon Prime on your browser and search for customer service, and then you can complain about them. Or else other option is go to search bar and go to run and go to %temp%. So go ahead and click this and select all of this and delete it. What this will do is clear the cache memory, and this might help you download the app. So wait for a while and all of your cache will be deleted. And if this doesn't work as well, what you can do is go to Amazon Prime from your browser and try to download it from here. So you can see that it will tell you to open the PC version of Prime, and it will open up. And go ahead and close it. And let's suppose this app is open, so go ahead and click on any one of these. Go to one episode and click on download, and you can see that now the download option is being shown. You can see the download quality over here as well. So after you select all of this, go ahead and click start download, and in a while your favorite movie or series will be downloaded. So guys, this is how you fix your product not downloading on your Amazon Prime Video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.